In today's watercolor animal tutorial, we're going to learn how to draw a watercolor cat using the one-stroke technique. Hi guys, it's Ellie. If you love watercolor illustrations, then keep on watching. I will show you how to draw the cutest watercolor animal ever, Raggy the ragdoll cat. Before we dive in, here's a shout out to our Kawaii art of the week. If you'd like to see your art featured in next week's art class, check out Kawaii Art Tribe on Instagram. Without further ado, let's jump right into a watercolor cat. Load your medium flat brush with white and beige. With the beige color facing the outer edge of your cat's head, draw a slightly flattened circle and make a small bump on the lower part of her cheeks. Once you're done with the head, go on to make two U-shaped loops for the front paws of your cat. Then let's draw a slight curve for her back, followed by a long teardrop for her tail. Next, let's load our small flat brush with beige and brown. Go on to draw in two triangular ears at the top of your cat's head. Then, to create the iconic ragdoll muzzle, lay down your brush in a circular stroke like this. Make sure the beige is on the outer edge. To give it that nice blend with the rest of her face, wet your medium flat brush to smoothen the colors out further. Now let's switch back to our small flat brush with beige and brown. Let's draw in the darkened paws and edges of her tail. If you are new to my channel and you want to learn all the secrets of one-stroke painting, then consider signing up for my free one-stroke masterclass in the description box below. Once you complete the class, I'll have a little gift to help you along your art journey too. Once you're done, clean off your small flat brush. Let's use this to reduce some of the color intensity of your cat's face and chest. The great thing about working with water-based paints is that you can just reactivate them with water and lift off any excess color whenever you wish. Now back to our drawing board, go ahead to load your small flat brush with white and teal. Let's draw in Raggy's best friend Moomy, the milk box. Let's use block strokes to create the rectangular shape of our milk box. And if you want to find out more about these brushes and skin-safe one-stroke watercolors, I will link them in the description below. Next, let's give Raggy and Moomy pink cheeks and ears using your small round brush. Now switch to your liner brush and use black to draw in their eyes and mouths. Then, use white to draw in the little ears and horns on Moomy before adding on some cow spots and his tail. It's outline time, so let's load our liner brush with dark blue to outline our milk box. Then, use dark brown to outline our cat. If you like this watercolor animal tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss my next video. Finally, let's dab on white paint to give Raggy and Moomy those sparkly bright eyes. And there you have your cute and easy watercolor cat and her best friend. Which watercolor animals would you like to learn next week? Leave me a comment below if you prefer to learn how to draw a raccoon or a deer. I would love to see you try out this design, so tag me, Kawaii Art Tribe, when you post on Instagram. Happy drawing guys, and I'll see you in my upcoming online art classes.